Hi, I'm Colby Nuccio, and this is my website. I did mine on wildlife and fisheries. This is a little paragraph talking about the whole website. Let's go to my bio page. This is my bio page. It talks about a little bit about myself and my experiences and some hobbies that I like to do. You can see a little picture of me down at the bottom holding some ducks. Let's go to resources. This is my web 2.0 tools. What I did throughout the school year to make the website. Okay, let's go to my choice. My choice is I added a link to the Louisiana Wildlife and Fisheries homepage. This you can go there and find out any questions about the Louisiana and wildlife. You can get your fishing license, your hunting licenses. You can find out dates of if when you can go fishing, when you can go hunting, stuff like that. So it's a really helpful website. Let's go to tech project. It's a little slideshow. Some things that you find in Louisiana. All right. Digital story. This is a little bit longer video. Just talking about all the stuff that you can see in Louisiana. Mobile app. This is another little long video. I did mine on Metaverse. My PLN. It's what it is. It's my little box. Um, my website evalve. I did mine on National Geographic for Kids. And these are some questions. As you can see there. Evaluations. My Apple teacher certification. And I have 8 badges. As you can see right here. And that's it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.